Hi again, boys and girls. I just wanted to show you the lattice method for multiplying 837 by 29. I've set up my lattice and I've extended the lines down so that it's a little easier for me to see my answer. And I'm just going to start. So I start with 7 times 2 is 14. I put 1, 4 there. 7 times 9 is 63. 9 times 3 is 27, and 3 times 2 is 6, but I have to put a 0 there. That's a 0, and a 6. Then 2 times 8 is 16, and 9 times 8 is 72. And again, this method is good for single-digit multiplication for bigger numbers. And then I just add up all the diagonals together. So I start here, and it's 3. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 7 is 17. I put the 7 there. I'm going to add the 1 kind of right here. And I go 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus another 2 is 12. Put the 2 down here, 1 here. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus another 7 is 14. Carry that 1, and then I have 1, 2. So my answer is 24,273.